Here is a 1970 Ford Fairlane 500. Basically a Ford Torino. This is what we've done so far. As you can see, found these holes here, pulled the gas tank, found holes here, down, let's see, down there. Right here is not as bad, but still there, all the way across. But anyways, this is just the back half. I already now have to replace this right here. Cut this out, make a new one. Same thing down there, make a new one there. Pulled all the trim off, found a bunch of holes, making this piece as well, making this piece there. No, it wasn't here. Anyways, this is inside. That's pretty much gone. There's some holes right there. No big deal. Just cut and paste. Same thing on that side. Yeah. We're going to be sandblasting this. Use glass immediate. Big ol' hole here. Same thing on the other side, just not as bad. Yeah, a little rust right there. Some rust by the door hinges. Oh yeah, we're in the middle of taking all this apart. Oh yeah, quarter panels both sides. That's all getting cut out. Already got a piece for that. It only comes up to about here-ish. So right about here somewhere down we have all new. We'll cut out. You can see the doors. We need new door skins. Weld up new door panels. But yeah, big ol' hole. This tells you how big it is. Yeah, I got small hands, so it's not huge. Yeah, but anyways, not too bad. We'll get it. Don't know what it looks like underneath the headliner yet. We're going to take that apart. But if you look over here, you can see. There you are. Some holes here. Oh, where's my finger? There it is. Holes here, holes there. So yeah. Just letting you see what the progress is so far. Holes in the trunk lid. But no problem, we'll make that. Well, hopefully you guys like the quick little tour of the Ford Torino. Like I said, it's a 1970, I'm sorry, not Torino, Ford Fairlane, 1970 Ford Fairlane 500. It's got a little 302 in it. Watch it. There you go. It's kind of hard to get the whole view of the car. There we go. Anyways, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of the video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.